In this ultimate chimney sweep tutorial, we will guide you through everything you need to know to get started with chimney sweeping. Chimney sweeping plays an important role in maintaining the safety and efficiency of your fireplace or wood stove. In this tutorial, we will teach you about the equipment, techniques, and safety measures required to become a skilled chimney sweep. Before you start sweeping a chimney, you need to gather the right equipment. The basic tools you will need are a chimney brush, rods, a ladder, a flashlight, and a vacuum cleaner. You will also need personal protective equipment, including a dust mask, gloves, and safety goggles to protect your eyes from dust and soot. Using the right equipment is essential for a successful and safe chimney sweeping experience. There are several techniques that experienced chimney sweeps use to clean a chimney effectively. The most popular method involves using a brush to scrub the inside of the chimney, which dislodges soot and creosote buildup. Then the debris can be vacuumed out of the chimney. It's important to work from the top of the chimney downwards, using long, flexible chimney rods. This will ensure that all debris is removed from the chimney. Safety should always be a top priority when chimney sweeping. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary safety equipment mentioned earlier. Also, you should do a thorough inspection of the chimney structure before sweeping to ensure it's structurally sound. Always work with a partner when using a ladder or chimney rods, and make sure to wear slip-resistant shoes. Practice responsible and safe chimney sweeping habits to keep yourself and others safe. In this tutorial, we covered everything you need to know to get started with chimney sweeping. Remember to use the right equipment, techniques, and safety measures. With enough practice, you will become an expert at chimney sweeping, and you can expect to have many safe and enjoyable fireplaces or wood stove experiences. Thank you for watching.